Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 11th of March, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
First, right off the bat, we'd like to say a special hi and thank you to Butterbean. She loaned us Baby Heart for the show this evening.
Yes.
I actually got her on Saturday night, and Baby Heart has been staying with us. You can see Baby Heart in the camera, can't you? So Baby Heart is a special guest on tonight's Two Dogs Woodworking and Wood. With that, let's move on. Now let's jump right into this week in the shop and projects completed. We cut out the giant peach.
Yes, we did.
Got that done yesterday.
Very giant.
Yeah, that was, the hardest part was actually getting up on the platform and working on it. It didn't take that much to actually cut the peach out. It was pretty straightforward. We're going to actually have a video of that released and working on that now, so y'all watch out for that. But we did get the giant peach cut out using the trailer, the log rescue trailer as a platform. Worked out really well. We planed about half of the 1x4s that we're going to need for the giant peach. Did that last night. So we got about half of those done. We finalized the tree design. That was
yes, we did. Yay!
We worked on some limbs, and we made a limb, and we ruined a couple of limbs, but we've learned really how not
to make a tree limb.
So that only leaves how to do it left. So we've got that down pat. We repaired and hung some birdhouses.
Yes, we did.
We did that
pretty
on
ones
Saturday.
too.
It was a gorgeous day on Saturday, real spring-like. But we got that done. So that was a nice little project. Those birdhouses have been out there for a while that needed work on. We went to an auction on Saturday night up to our good friend Sunset Auction and had a great time.
It was fun.
Yeah, I thought we were going to pick up one or two things and wound up getting a bunch of stuff. Daniel got two work tables. One really nice work table with a super nice vise on it. I'm going to guess it's about a 60 to 80 pound vise. It got heavier the farther I had to carry it. Probably started off at 60 and got up to almost 100 by the time I got done carrying it. It came with the grinder on it. A
bench grinder, yeah.
And we're actually going to do some building around those things out of Daniel's. But really come out some nice buy on there. Really nice buy. I got a sandblaster. Got a sandblaster for next to nothing. Dirt cheap. Really going to come in really handy here at Two Dogs.
For a lot of stuff, for blowing off this metal that we get for legs and stuff.
It's going to be really, really handy. I got a bucket of hinges. Now, everybody needs a bucket of hinges, and I've got mine now. So I've got a bucket of hinges. Picked up a fire extinguisher for the shop for nothing. I mean, really, just really good.
It's full, too.
Yeah, it's a full fire extinguisher. And we got 4 chairs for Michaela. So Bulu's got 4 chairs sitting out here in the shed. And I think that was kind of about it.
When she gets her little place to move into, which will be soon.
Yep, soon. But I think that's kind of about it. For what we got.
Well, you forgot to mention Jay and Tangy coming up.
That's right.
We finalized a bunch of stuff for the wedding, which was awesome.
Yep. We
got a grip on that and a very good idea. So,
so we know what we're going to be doing for that.
Doing.
Thank you, Jay and Tangy, for coming up and spending Thursday night with us.
It was Thursday, wasn't it?
Appreciate that. Thank you. All right, guys, let's move on. Back to hot chocolate. It just got cool out there.
I know. All of a sudden, it's cold.
All right, upcoming for Two Dogs. What do we have coming up next? We're going to plane the rest of those boards tonight. That's going to be the structural part of the giant peach. Like I said, we got half of them done yesterday. Got the other half to do tonight. Expect about an hour's worth of planing to do on that. Tomorrow night, we're actually going to take those 1x4s and cut them to the dimensions we need and attach them. Now, the peach is giant peach. It's 10 foot tall, 13 foot wide, but it's in 5 sections. And well, actually 6
because it's 1 and 1A.
That's it. So we got 1 and 1A, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5 pieces. And we're going to attach the structure to that so that luan won't be so flexible. And we're going to do that as well, but we're not putting the whole peach together. We're just putting the structure to each individual piece.
Section.
That's right. We're getting that done. We've got to cut what I'm calling the arch, which is essentially a silhouette of the peach. Now we've cut the whole solid background of it. I guess that's a good way to explain it. And then there's this arch piece, and it's going to be a 3-dimensional thing. And when you watch the video, it'll make sense. We're actually probably going to be going to that place. So
yes, we are.
Some pictures of that all put together.
Yeah, she offered us tickets, as many as we wanted.
Yeah, that's right.
So if anybody might want to come.
That's it. Mickey offered us tickets to go see that and to see Alice in Wonderland.
Yes,
the tree for
that one too, yeah.
All right. We've got to deliver the peach this week. Really needs to be there. I'm hoping by no later than Thursday, but we're looking Wednesday, Thursday to get that delivered. But I say no later than Thursday because her build crew is going to be in. We're going to start the tree base. Now the tree is, remember we've talked about this before, it's going to be a 10 foot tall tree. 5 foot at the stump, and then 5 foot branches coming off. We got to get started on the stump of that, I guess, or the what do I want to say? Not the
The
stump,
trunk,
the
dear.
trunk,
The
trunk of that.
The trunk of the tree.
That's it. And then we have an auction on Saturday. That's right. The Wilkes County Young Farmers Auction is this Saturday. Now that is one of my favorite auctions because it kind of helps out exactly what it says. The young farmers in Wilkes County, we always like to support them. Looking forward to making it of that. If you're going to be off or be available on Saturday, come out and hang out with us at Wilkes County Young Farmers up there on the at the Ag Center, leaving Washington, Georgia, going up to Athens. Can't miss it. Be a lot of vehicles there. Always
Yeah,
is. Can't miss
always is.
Alrighty. So this Sunday, after the auction on Saturday, we'll be busy all day Saturday, but on Sunday we're either going to be building a tree or we're going to be cutting trees on the mill. Just kind of depends on the weather and where we're at on the tree build. Okay guys, let's move on. Good hot chocolate. Alrighty. Well, that really is, that's about it for this evening, unless you have anything.
There is one thing.
What's
We're probably going to be going to a show on April 27th.
That's
It's called
right.
Sharon Shenanigans. Got something to do with Irish stuff,
That's
but
it.
it's
Sharon-
after
Sharon, Georgia. Yeah, Sharon, Georgia. Alrighty.
it's
So,
after the fact.
yeah, look for us at Sharon Shenanigans the 27th of April 2019. Planning on being there. Got to get our registration in yet, but we're planning on being there. Well, I guess that really is about it. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd like to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's still... Okay.